CARPHA is the sole public health agency for the Caribbean, mandated to build member states' capacity to prevent disease and promote health and wellness through leadership, partnership, and innovation in public health. In 2019, to strengthen and standardize the management of diabetes, CARPHA launched an updated version of the CARPHA guidelines for the management of diabetes in primary care in the Caribbean. The clinical guidelines are presented in 5 modules. In 2022, following a needs assessment study in 10 member states, CARPHA developed nutritional tools to support the implementation of the nutrition component of the CARPHA clinical diabetes guidelines. The 6 tools comprising the Diabetes Nutritional Management Toolkit will standardize the nutritional management of diabetes in the Caribbean. The Care Guide for Persons with Diabetes booklet contains basic information on diabetes. Information is presented in a simplified and mostly pictorial form on the concept, types, risk factors, signs and symptoms, complications, and management of diabetes. This booklet also contains recipes from CARPHA member states. The target audience is persons with diabetes and their caregivers. The Healthcare Professionals Guide booklet contains information for the healthcare professional on a range of topics, including 1. Selected nutrition intervention strategies such as counseling, group education, meal planning, reading food labels, and portion and serving sizes. 2. Physical activity recommendations for children, adolescents, adults, and the elderly. And thirdly, self-management. The booklet also contains sample meal plans and menus. The Managing My Diabetes poster highlights the key ways to manage diabetes. These are a healthy diet, physical activity, medication, self-monitoring of blood glucose, and routine visits to the doctor or healthcare team. The target audience for this poster is healthcare professionals and persons with diabetes and their caregivers. The My Caribbean Plate poster represents the Caribbean version of the American My Plate for persons with diabetes. It displays foods or food groups that are locally available in CARPHA member states in the recommended proportions. The target audience for this poster is healthcare professionals and persons with diabetes and their caregivers. The Nutrition Labels Made Simple poster presents a guide to reading and understanding the nutrition facts panel on food containers. The poster also draws attention to the octagon-shaped front of package warning labels on some food containers to more easily and accurately identify foods that are high in sugar, fats, saturated fats, trans fats, and sodium. The target audience for this poster is healthcare professionals and persons with diabetes and their caregivers. The Healthy Eating with Diabetes brochure contains recipes from CARPHA member states and a sample meal plan for an 1800 kilocalorie diet. But please note that meal plans for persons with diabetes should be calculated based on individual need. The Diabetes Nutritional Management Toolkit is expected to be a major support to all healthcare professionals involved in the management of diabetes in the Caribbean. It is also expected to help to address the challenge of limited human resources and the lack of appropriate standardized support tools in providing services to persons with diabetes. These tools allow them to effectively self-manage their conditions.